If you know me, I'm a pretty positive guy. But why do I love negatives? Negative keywords, that is. Here's my belief. I think that for the next 5 years of online marketing, negative keywords are going to become one of the most important things in a Google Ads strategy, second to none. Because what's happening is Google, and I made another video on this, on the reasons that Google Ads just got 5 times harder, is Google expanded the search terms that now register to their keywords. So for example, you used to be able to do what are called exact match keywords. Now, if you bid on an exact match keyword like plumber near me, sometimes your ad can display for the word just like plumber, which is unheard of, because the whole beauty of exact match keywords is it allowed you to control where your budget went through Google ad campaigns. Now that's not the case. Now you have to get so granular with your exclusions that it is almost like guaranteed you're going to waste money if you don't have a good negative keyword strategy on your Google ad campaign. And I think a lot of the reason this is happening, we're moving into what I call an exclusion economy versus an inclusion economy, is because of the privacy restrictions, the privacy laws. And ever since Cambridge Analytica, things have really broadened up. So now we can't target perfect audiences with Facebook ads or Google ads. We can't target by household income well anymore. We can't target by, asset base like we used to. It's all kind of hard to do now. So now we have to move into what we call an exclusion economy, excluding people that we know for sure we don't want to click on our ads. And that's going to allow you to waste much less money. So that's why I think negative keywords are such a positive thing nowadays and are actually going to become one of the most important tactics to have implemented in your Google ad or PPC campaigns everywhere internationally. The problem that we're experiencing, we get calls, last month we got probably 200 leads or so at our company from business owners asking us for help with their marketing. And a lot of people were pissed about the fact that keywords they were once bidding on that were pulling in high quality leads are now pulling in irrelevant competitor search terms, zoomed out terms that have nothing to do with their direct line of business, irrelevant search traffic. And the way you can audit this is, go through your Google ad account, highlight all of the keywords that you're bidding on, and then click on the tab that says search terms. And on the search term report, you'll be able to see what everyone who clicked on your Google ads typed in before they were both served an ad and then clicked on that ad. When you look through your search term report, you're pretty quickly able to see the percentage of clicks you get that are relevant and have to do with the geographic areas you serve, with the specific keyword targets you go after, etc. And it's a very jaw-dropping experience to look through your search term report if you have targeting set up bad. It used to be fine to do broad modified keywords. It used to be fine to put a plus sign before your keywords and just do minimal negative keywords. But now if you bid on plus plumber, plus near, plus me, or let's say plus divorce, plus lawyer, something like that, putting plus signs before your keywords means, hey Google, show my ad if both of these words, divorce, lawyer, if both of those words are typed in any order. So if someone types in lawyer that helps with divorce, those 2 keywords will register and your ad will show up. Now, the way it works is only one of those plus sign keywords must be present. So for example, sometimes if you're bidding on divorce lawyer, broad modified, your ads will show up for divorce law or divorce law town name, right? Which isn't what you're bidding on. So you have to actually exclude the word law through your negative keyword strategy. So this is why I think negative keywords are going to be so important both at the account level, campaign level, and then especially at the ad group level, because when you're bidding on different keywords, for example, like let's say you're a motorcycle accident lawyer and you have one ad group in your campaign that's for the keyword motorcycle accident lawyer, and then you have another ad group that is motorbike accident lawyer, just as an example. Well, now the fact that the keyword match types have opened up, those 2 single keyword ad groups may serve for the same keyword, meaning if someone types in motorcycle accident lawyer, Google may map it to your motorbike accident lawyer ad, and then someone who types in motorcycle accident lawyer, they're going to see an ad that says motorbike accident lawyer. So in each ad group, you have to exclude the opposite term. In the motorcycle ad group, you'll have to exclude the motorbike word. In the motorbike ad group, you have to exclude the motorcycle word, okay? So it gets very complex, it gets very tedious. But if you have a good negative keyword strategy, you can still take control from Google wasting your advertising budget. So that's why I think negative keywords are such a positive thing, especially with all of the match type openings that are currently happening in Google. So my goal here is to make sure that $1 billion of Google ad spend is not wasted. That is my mission when it comes to Google ads specifically, is I want to make sure, I'm on a mission to make sure that I can save $1 billion of wasted spend. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the SMB Team YouTube channel. We'd love to serve you more with videos like this. Also, if you want daily marketing tips, leadership business tips sent to your email inbox, then please put your email in at smbteam.com. Just submit it on one of our contact forms and you'll be put on our daily email drip where we send you free value add content every day to your inbox on marketing, business, leadership, sales, etc. So thank you very much for your time, energy, and attention. Please comment below if you want me to go deeper into any of the topics that I went through in this video. Thanks.